Every Winegardien unit has a manual reset high-pressure switch in the refrigeration system. This switch shuts the compressor and condenser down if the head pressure in the system is too high. It's intended to protect the compressor. Restricted airflow through the condenser is the most common reason for the pressure becoming too high. This can be caused by dust covering the filter or an obstruction blocking the airflow in the duct or grill. To reset the high-pressure switch, please select the Winegardien unit you're using.